Osmosis is a cross-chain automated market maker, AMM protocol and a proof-of-stake POS blockchain built with the Cosmos SDK. The protocol's on-chain governance system and many modules make it possible for developers to design, build, and use their own custom AMM. Osmo is the protocol's native governance and utility token. It is used to make transactions, provide liquidity, stake, and vote on the platform. The protocol also has an AMM app that trades between Osmo and AM. In this video we will tell you should you buy Osmosis or not. But before we start our video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. So let's jump right in. What's Osmosis? Osmosis is a cross-chain automated market maker, AMM protocol built with the Cosmos SDK that lets developers create, build, and deploy their own custom AMM. Osmosis is one of the first AMM decentralized exchanges. DX builds on Cosmos, a network called the Internet of Blockchains where developers can build dApps that work with other networks. It focuses on the interchain DeFi movement. Blockchains based on Tendermint in the Cosmos ecosystem, which is responsible for about 40% of all transfers between blockchains on Cosmos. Balancer, Uniswap, and Curve Finance were the models for Osmosis. IBC-compatible blockchains like Cosmos, Regen, Akash, etc. can be easily swapped on Osmosis for fees that are usually less than $1. What's Osmo? Osmo is the native utility token and governance token for the Osmosis network. It is used to distribute liquidity mining rewards and pay the base network swap fee. Osmosis' unique feature, Superfluid staking, lets Osmo be used for both staking and liquidity at the same time. This means that liquidity providers or stakers can get paid for both staking and liquidity. As a governance token, Osmo can be used to vote on protocol upgrades, set the base network swap fee, and give liquidity mining rewards to certain liquidity pools. Is it a good idea to invest in Osmosis? Osmosis is a good investment because liquidity pools can be changed to fit your needs. Liquidity pools can run themselves, and AMM can be used as a serviced infrastructure. Most big AMM have limits on how much you can change the parameters of liquidity pools. For example, Uniswap only lets you create a pool with 2 tokens of equal value and a swap fee of 0.3%. This makes swapping easy for people who don't know much or anything about making markets. But as the DeFi market grows, it becomes clear that liquidity pools that change based on market conditions are needed. The best swap fee for an AMM trade depends on many things, such as block times, slippage, transaction fees, market volatility, and so on. There is no one-size-fits-all solution because the optimal approach for liquidity providers and market makers can change depending on the mix of blockchain protocol features, liquidity pool tokens, market conditions, etc. With the help of tools that Osmosis provides, market participants can find their own opportunities and respond by changing the different parameters. Instead of having a centrally planned most acceptable compromise value, an ideal balance between fee and liquidity can be found by letting people experiment and try things over and over again. This makes the market for AMM and bonding curves bigger than just simple token swaps, since the inability to change the liquidity pool may have been a problem for more experimental AMM use cases. Osmosis has a feature called Pool Self-Governance, which lets a wide range of liquidity pools with different risk tolerances and strategies grow. The liquidity pool shares are not only used to figure out how much of a liquidity pool someone owns, but they also give the owner the right to help make strategic decisions for the liquidity pool. The idea of AMM as a serviced infrastructure means that the person who makes the pool only has to define the bonding curve value function and can reuse most of the important AMM infrastructure. It makes it possible to give the majority of decentralized financial instruments access to an AMM that works well and is easy to use. Osmosis has, on occasion, been demonstrated to be a financially sound investment. In addition to the blockchain technology itself, it is also one of the most promising blockchain initiatives in terms of the application cases that may be built with it. Additionally, the value of the blockchain is increasing as it is implemented in a wide variety of applications that are used in the real world. Osmosis price. According to the data on CoinStats, there are 297 million Osmo coins in circulation and 325 million coins in total. The market capitalization of Osmosis is about $2.7 billion. The first 100 million Osmo will be split between the Fairdrop recipients and a strategic reserve. During events called daily epochs, new tokens are given out as follows: stake rewards, 25%. Coins belong to the developer, 25%. Liquidity mining incentives, 45%. Community pool, 5%. The way tokens are made is based on a model called thirdening, in which the number of tokens made is cut by a third every year. Where can you buy Osmosis? We'll use the Binance Exchange as an example of how to buy Osmosis, along with the Kepler wallet, which is the most popular wallet that works with all Cosmos networks, including Osmosis. You must first buy AM on Binance and then trade it for Osmo. Start by following our step-by-step guide on how to buy Osmosis. Step 1. sign into your Binance account or make a new one. To sign up for Binance, you need an email address or phone number and a strong password. KYC is not required. But if you don't provide more information, you won't be able to trade as much on the platform. In most transactions, you will need to give your name, phone number, email address, mailing address, social security number, and a copy of your driver's license, passport, or other government-issued ID. You have to give this information so that you can be verified and start trading. Step 2. Add money to your account. Once your account has been verified, you can log in and go to the dashboard to make a deposit using your preferred payment method to buy M. You can put cash in your account with a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Step 3. Buy what you want. Once the money is in your account, you can go to markets and choose your USD tethered currency pair, such as your/USD. Once you've chosen a pair, go to sell and type in how much USD you want to trade for. After buying the USD, you need to go back to the market, look for the pair ATM/USD, and click on it. Here, you'll find the same buy and sell panel. To exchange your USD for the number of Cosmos you want, click buy on the panel. After you choose the amount, all you have to do is click buy and you're done. Step 4. Get your money out of Binance. Once you have M, open your wallet on your computer or mobile device and click on the currency. Find Cosmos, M in the list and choose Withdraw from the drop-down menu. You will now see a window that lets you take your coins out of Binance. Step 5. Move atoms from Binance to Kepler. Go to your Kepler wallet and click on the address below the name to copy it. Make sure your Kepler wallet is set to the Cosmos network. You must put this address into Binance in order to send atoms to Kepler. It's important to say which Cosmos network you want to use and how much you want to withdraw. It only costs a few cents. Verify that the information is valid and that the transaction was completed using the codes. In a few minutes, the amount of atom you sent should show up in your wallet. Make sure you're always on the Cosmos network, since the Kepler wallet can work with many different networks. Step 6. Transfer funds from Cosmos to Osmosis. Go to the Osmosis website, click Connect Wallet in the bottom left corner, and then confirm on Kepler. After connecting the wallet, choose assets from the list of cryptocurrencies on the left. Find Cosmos, Atom, and click the button that says Deposit. You can check how much money you have in the Cosmos network and move it to the Osmosis network. Enter the amount you want to deposit, leave some for fees, and then click Deposit. After you confirm the transaction in your wallet, you will be able to see how many Cosmos you have and trade them. Step 7. Buy Osmosis. Lastly, choose how much you want to spend. You can use the buttons to choose max or half, confirm all of the information, including the amount and the rate of exchange, and then click Swap. Confirm the transaction in your Kepler wallet, and you'll have Osmosis, Osmo in your wallet. Conclusion: due to its innovations and underlying ideas, Osmosis, Osmo is one of the best coins, and it has caught the attention of experienced investors. Because a lot of money was put into the currency and the team has a lot of experience, the project has everything it needs to succeed in the future. Before you put money into something, you should do as much research as possible. Also, keep an eye out for the latest trends and predictions from experts in your field. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them. Leave a comment below, and we'll try to answer your questions as soon as we can. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell button for all the latest updates.